Ginger tea is quickly growing in popularity and becoming a staple for health-conscious individuals. It is even replacing coffee and tea in many people's morning routines due to its soothing taste and ability to promote our health in a number of important ways. Ginger tea can help to boost immunity, reduce pain, and help control blood sugar levels. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming ginger tea regularly. First, ginger tea can help to add important nutrition into your diet. It is a good source of a number of different vitamins, minerals, and other healthy nutrients that can promote our overall health. Ginger tea is an incredible source of manganese, as well as vitamin E, iron, selenium, and vitamin B6. It is also a good source of fiber, is a good source of antioxidants, and contains a unique compound known as gingerol that can provide numerous medicinal properties. Ginger tea is also well known for its ability to help treat and reduce the symptoms associated with nausea. Studies have found that it can significantly reduce nausea. This is often attributed to the numerous active compounds found in ginger, such as phenyl compounds known as gingerols, as well as volatile oils. Ginger tea can also help to soothe the stomach and reduce pain. Consuming ginger tea can also help to promote the overall health of our heart and reduce the risk of developing heart disease. In fact, studies have shown that ginger tea contains a number of important compounds that can help to protect against heart disease. Ginger tea has been associated with a number of heart-promoting abilities. When consumed consistently, it can help to lower cholesterol levels in the body. Most importantly, it can reduce bad LDL cholesterol, total cholesterol, and blood triglycerides. Ginger tea has also been associated with lower blood pressure and improved blood circulation. Ginger tea can also help to control blood sugar levels in the body while also helping to promote weight loss and healthy weight management. Studies have found that drinking warm ginger tea specifically can help to increase feelings of satiety and fullness while also helping to reduce hunger and prevent snacking and overeating during the day. Ginger tea may also help to manage obesity, but be sure to combine with a healthy diet and active lifestyle for best results. In addition, ginger tea can also help to improve blood sugar, insulin, and triglycerides, which is especially helpful for those individuals with type 2 diabetes. Lastly, consuming ginger tea regularly can help to reduce inflammation in the body and reduce pain. This can help to reduce the risk of developing chronic diseases while also boosting immunity. Also, it can help to reduce joint pain and stiffness and is especially helpful for those individuals with joint ailments, such as osteoarthritis. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.